layout update number 15, and having fun running 2 boxcar trains.
Hi fellas, it's Nick. I'm making this video to do a layout update. I haven't made one in maybe a year or so. So I did some work on the upper level. I'll start with the upper level, and I'll start on the right. As you can see, I have a red caboose there and the lights on, and I have people, and there's a train station with the flag, and there's sightseeing car with passengers on, and of course the switcher, which will pull it around. Now that switcher, that's from the late 50s, early 60s, and as I go towards the left, you'll see a school bus and some trees, and there's lights there with people sitting on a bench, and there's a little dog. I don't know if you can see him, but I'm going to put the lights on. If you want to see a video of how I built this train station, I do have it, and you'll see it on my site. Now I'm going to move over to the left, and we're going to go into a train platform, as you can see. And again, I also made a video on how I did it and how I installed the lights. I have people waiting on the platform for the train, and I'm going to see if I can zoom it in so you can see the signs. Yeah, I made the signs, and as you can read, it says Main Street, and there's a passenger, and you have some passengers sitting down on the bench. There's your street lights, more passengers, and there's another bench with passengers on it, and one standing up, another sign, Main Street. And right there I built this little shelter for them, and have some people there sitting down waiting for the train to come in. It says underpass to Main Street. So you have to use your imagination, where there's an underpass that goes under the buildings. But I thought that was pretty neat. And again, I made a video how I did this, how I made lights, and it's on my site if you're interested in seeing it. And then as I move over to the left, I made a Christmas scene. And as you can see if I can back it up a little bit, you have the trees with snow on an American flag, and then you have a truck, and there's a person. I'll bring it in a little bit so you can see it, and they're loading the tree on the truck. And then we have yours, which is selling that's the Christmas tree, and that's the man cutting it and getting it ready for the people to put it on the truck. And more Christmas trees. Now I have one here. It's Holland Souvenir Shop, and as you can see, they have a person buying some souvenirs. And then as you move, there's a woman with her son. And then we have another shop, and this one is Sweet Scent Candle, and get the other one, store. And there you can see a customer buying a candle with more Christmas trees. We have another one right here with 2 figures and a Christmas tree. And it says Malt Shop. That's a nice sweetie. And then of course we have the switcher with the bumper. So that's new, the winter scene. And now I'll bring it down to the lower level, show you what I made. I just added a water tower, which I get it down so you can see it. There we go. Now that was a Lionel kit, and you had to put it together. But before I put it together, I did the paint scheme. It's almost the way the picture is on the cover of the box that it came in. But what I did add is the figure on top, checking the list, and then I have a workman where the door is and another person just walking. That's about it as far as what I did adding to my layout. But this is what I have here. As you can see, men working on the trains, cleaning them up, checking them out. What I'm going to do now, because that completes my update, I watch a site called Bill Bees, and he's having a little challenge. And what it is he's calling it the Boxcar Challenge for 2024. And I told him I want to be part of it. And so I have 2 trains with boxcars. The inner train, the Conrail paint scheme, that's going to be pulling boxcars from the 50s and 60s. And then the New York Central, which is a GP7, that's going to be also pulling boxcars, but of this era, 23, 24. I'm going to start them running.
Conrail 4120 here. Are we clear through the next junction? Over. Yes, 4120. You are clear ahead. Over. 4120 out. Conrail 4120 here. Are we clear through the next crossing? Over. Yes, 4120. You've got green boards. Over. Very good. 4120 out. 4120. Please go to restricted speed. Over. Restricted speed. 4120 out.
Now that orange car you see, that was a cattle car, and the gray one is a box car that shoots out little squares, and then the rest of them, they're just box cars. And also the green one, that's the one where the horses go inside and come out. And then the Conrail caboose, which has smoke in it, that one I bought in 2012. Now we'll start up the New York Central.
New York Central, 5628. Do you copy?
Roger that. 5628 here.
Start up and stand by.
Understood. I'll get this train up and running.
Out. 5628, you're good to go. Over.
Copy that, dispatch. We have that go sign. 5628 out. Dispatch, this is 5628 here. Train is underway. Over.
Very good, 5628. Out. Please go to restricted speed. Over.
Copy that, dispatch. Moving to restricted speed. Out.
And there's the New York Central caboose. As you can see, the smoke coming out of the stack. I hope you can see it.
Please go to slow speed. Over.
Roger that. Moving to slow speed. Out.
Conrail 4120 here. Are we clear through the next milepost? Over. Yes, 4120. You've got green board. Over. Thanks, dispatcher. 4120 out.
5628 out. New York Central 5628 in position. Brakes are set. Over.
Welcome all 5628. You're in place. Sit tight. Out.
Dispatch, this is 5628 here. I'm shutting this train down. Out.
Well, fellas, I'm going to end the video now. You have a wonderful day. And also, I'd like to wish everyone a happy new year and a healthy new year. Have a great day. Bye now, fellas.
If you enjoyed the video, a comment, rate, and subscribe will be appreciated. Don't forget to ring the bell to get all the email notifications from Nick's channel. Nick is asking for your help to reach his goal of 1,000 subscribers in 2025. Wishing you and your family a happy and healthy new year. Have a great day.